I'll tell you what, you get what you pay for, I guess. So I bought that piece right there to add to his truck, and the little screws, they're number 2 sheet metal screws. They are terrible. They break off. I mean, it's frustrating, but I got it up there finally. So it looks like it's gonna stay. So, but you can see right there, screw head broke off. This one was all right, and this one here, it broke off. It's still there a little bit, but I can't do anything about it, because if I try to hit it with a grinding wheel or something, will mess up the metal. But, so, I don't know. I think it turned out pretty good, other than it's junk, but it'll work. And the screws are small enough to where you can see they barely stick out of there. You got one here, you got one here, and one right here. So 1, 2, and 3. And those I'll just kind of hit with a little grinder, a little buffing wheel or something, and just take off the sharp edge. But anyways, thought it would look kind of cool on there later.